Okay, we have an equation that has integer coefficients and has the following roots. So if 2 is a root, I'm going to say the factor would be x minus 2. And if 9 is a root, I would say the factor is x minus 9. Now, if 1/3 is a root, I would say x minus 1/3 is a factor. And if 5/2 is a root, I would say x minus 5/2 is a factor. And this is using the zero product rule. Now, they said integer coefficients, so I have to get rid of those fractions. And the way I would do that, it was I'd multiply both sides by the LCD, which in this case over here is going to be 6. And if I do that, I want to point out why I'm doing that. Whoops. The 6 is really 2 times 3. So I'm going to associate the 3 with the x minus 1/3 factor. So it'd be 3x minus 1. And I can associate the 2 with the x minus 5/2 factor, which would be 2x minus 5. You also have to multiply the right-hand side by 6, and 6 times 0, just 0. What am I going to do now? I'm going to multiply that and see what you get. You're going to get x squared. Let's see, minus 11x plus 18. You're going to get 6x squared here. Let's see, minus 15 minus 2 is minus 17x plus 5 equals 0. All right, I want to look at the key and just go through it stages, make sure we're meeting some of the conditions that need to be met. So I'm pretty sure I met this condition. Yeah, I did it right. And then I noticed they multiplied both sides by 6, and they made that association I talked about before, and then they got this thing over here, which is x minus 2, x minus 9, 3x minus 1, 2x minus 5. I don't see this down now, all right? So obviously they're not thinking that's important to put down, but it is important, all right? I'm writing it down. When I did the key, I wrote that down, but maybe I got tired and feel like typing that up. So what I'm going to say over here is I think we're at problem number 7 now, and this is really not much different than other ones. So I'm going to say over here, you should be able to take this one over here, and with a bit of work, get this thing over here. Now, what do I mean by that? What we've done in the prior problems. What have we done in prior problems? We've done the distributive property. So you distribute x squared across the 3 terms here, then you distribute minus 11 across these 3 terms, then 18 across those 3 terms as well, combine everything together, and I'm hoping, if you're willing to do that and able to do that, that you'll be able to match this thing over here, all right? Now, again, if you don't think you're able to match that, you might say, oh, you made a mistake. Maybe I did. Please reach out to me. If you see something, like I always say something. Thank you.